Being fit isn't just about being skinny. It's also about being healthy and strong. So today, I've got a dance workout for all the curvy women who want to keep their curves but lose their flat. Personal trainer, nutritionist, and self-proclaimed curvy girl, Katie Boyd is here, teaches the best dance moves for your curves. Welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
So why is it so important for you to be here teaching curvy girls about dancing to accentuate their curves?
Well, I am a curve crusader. When I was 18 years old, I became a personal trainer, and people said, "Ooh, girl, you shouldn't be a personal trainer. You are not ripped. What are you doing?" And I was totally ripped apart. And you know what? You do not have to be thin to be in shape. And I am going to make that my life mission to bring that to all the women in this country.
Yeah, I'm so happy you're doing that. And I bet you must still get criticized.
Oh my gosh, I get ripped apart every day. I even get ripped apart by some of my clients who I train. Sometimes they come to me and they're like, "Oh, you've been packing on the pounds." And I'm like, you know what? I want to live. I did pageants my whole life, and I starved myself. And the things that I did to my body, I regret in a way, but I also don't regret it because now I can teach girls the right way, how to eat and how to work out and how to be proud of their curves.
Well, we're going to do that today. Now, you argue, Katie, that the best way for a woman to accentuate her curves is to dance, because that'll burn off the fat.
Definitely. You know, dancing is such a great expression, and, you know, you burn tons of calories, and you do a lot of things that you would do in a normal day at the gym, like squats and kickbacks and stuff, and you can incorporate them into your dance, and you know what? Let out your inner goddess. That's what it's all about.
We're going to let the inner goddess for everybody today. You're going to teach us 4 moves.
Yes.
I want everyone to remember these, because we'll all do them together when we're done, including our audience.
Yes.
All right?
Yes.
So, the workout moves. The first one is called the booty blast. I'm going to try these myself.
We're going to blast your booty right now.
Do I have a goddess also, or just a god?
You're a god to me. I'm just saying.
All right.
I'm just saying. All right, are you ready?
Legs
so
up,
what
good.
we're going to do first is we're going to do a plie squat. So we're going to go squat, squat, roll the hips, roll the hips.
One more time.
Okay. Squat, squat, roll the hips, roll the hips.
What's the hands like this?
I don't know. I like it's kind of like, baby.
Okay.
You're letting it out, you know?
Okay.
You're supposed to let out your inner god right now, Dr. Oz.
I see it oozing out. My pelvis is falling.
So that's the first one we're going to do.
Okay.
So the second one is going to be called hip, hop, hips. Okay. So what we're going to do is we are going to go 1, 2, 1, and 2. Okay?
One more time.
So 1, 2, 1, and 2. Okay?
Jeez. Someone's going to get hurt. Okay.
And then we're going to go 1, 2, double, double, 1, 2, double, double. You're double trouble, I think.
I don't know.
So what that really does is, you know, when you're bringing your knees up like this, you're really working. You're cinching that waist. You know, you've been talking all about cinching the waist and the 8 and the hourglass and all that good stuff. So that's what we're really working here. And bringing those legs up like this, you're using transverse abdominal. You're using all that lower abdominal area. And that's super important.
I love it. Okay.
So that's number 2.
Okay.
So the third one is called the waist whittle. So, okay. Shake it. Okay.
Is that it?
No. Oh. I just want to see you do that. I just want to see you shake it like that.
This is what I'm dealing with.
I win. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go cha, cha, kick. Cha, cha, kick. Then we're going to go to the other side. Okay. Cha, cha, kick. Cha, cha, kick. And what we're doing here is, you know, when you cha-cha, you're using all those sexy hip muscles. Yeah. Okay? A little, you know. So you're using those sexy hip muscles. And then when you're kicking back, you know, you're using your glutes, you're using your hamstrings. And, you know, anytime you have to stand on one foot, you're using all your stabilizer muscles, which is really super important. Yep. So that's our third one. And then the fourth one, I know that you're going to love this one the most. It's the curvy girl celebration.
How do you do that?
So you're going to go whoop.
Oh, come on.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. How's that? You could do that one at least. Come on now.
Right, one more time.
One, around, around, around.
All right. Here's what we're going to do. We've got some self-proclaimed curvy girls in our audience today. Ladies, come on out.
Come on out, girls.
I want everybody in the audience standing. I want everybody at home, please get up. Off the sofas, everybody. The entire audience over here. Everyone's going to get up. And we're going to do this. Can I have the music, please? You can do it slow first, all.
Okay, ready? All right, girls, ready,
We're going to
girls?
start with the right. Everyone do the right first.
Okay. So we're going to go right here. Squat, squat, roll the hips, roll the hips. Squat, squat, roll the hips, roll the hips. 1, 2, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 1 and 2. Boom, boom, double, double. Boom, boom, double, double. Cha, cha, kick. Cha, cha, kick. cha-cha kick. Woo! Cha-cha kick. Curvy girl celebration. Curvy girl celebration. Go again. Curvy girl celebration.
One more time, one more time.
Ready, guys? Woo! And squat, and squat, and roll the hips, roll the hips. Squat, and squat. Roll the hips, roll the hips. 1, 2, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 1 and 2. 1, 2, boom, boom, double, double. Boom. Go ahead. Cha-cha kick. Cha-cha kick. Cha-cha kick. Cha-cha kick.
Curvy girl. Last time, guys.
Curvy girl celebration. Curvy girl celebration.
Keep going, Dana. Thanks to Kate, all you guys. Just keep going, keep going. We right back with my bonus tip, the essential fitness class for every curvy girl.
One and 2.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.